Hello everyone, SSC Stenographer 2025 6 August first shift analysis. वानखेड़े स्टेडियम is located in which city? वानखेड़े स्टेडियम किस शहर में स्थित है? The answer for this question is मुंबई. मुंबई में स्थित है. वानखेड़े स्टेडियम is located in Mumbai city. Wankhede Stadium is a famous cricket stadium located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It hosted the 2011 Cricket World Cup final where India won the World Cup. It is a home to the Mumbai Indians IPL team. Who was the founder of the Maurya dynasty? मौर्य वंश के संस्थापक कौन थे? The answer for this question is Chandragupta Maurya, founder of the Maurya dynasty. Chandragupta Maurya founded the Maurya dynasty in 321 BCE with the guidance of the Chanakya Kautilya. He overthrew the Nanda dynasty and established the first large empire in the ancient India. How many key factor steps are used to measure the World Happiness Index? विश्व खुशहाली सूचकांक का मापने के लिए कितने प्रमुख कारण चरण होते हैं? The answer for this question is there are 6 key factors to measure the World Happiness Index. 6 प्रमुख चरण होते हैं. The World Happiness Index reports use to 6 key indicators to measure happiness in countries. First one is GDP per capita, I, social support, सामाजिक सहयोग होता है, और हेल्थ लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी, स्वस्थ जीवन प्रत्याशा. फोर्थ का है फ्रीडम टू मेक लाइफ चॉइसेस, जीवन निर्णय की स्वतंत्रता, और जेनरसिटी उदारता, परसेप्शंस एंड करप्शन भ्रष्टाचार की धारणा. Who is the chairperson of the Securities and Exchange Board of India SCBI in 2025? 2025 SCBI के अध्यक्ष कौन है? The answer for this question is option D, तुहिन कांत पांडे. On 27 February 2025, the Government of India appointed as a Finance Secretary Tuhin Kanta Pandey as a new chairperson of SCBI for a term of 3 years. He succeeded Madhbhai Puri Bhuj, whose term ended in 28 February 2025. What is the full form of SCBI? Securities and Exchange Board of India. It is a statutory regulatory body that was established by the Government of India in 1992. Who is the current Chief Executive Officer CEO of नीति आयोग in 2025? 2025 में नीति आयोग के प्रमुख कार्यकारी अधिकारी CEO कौन है? The answer for this question is B.V. Subramaniam. Shri B.V. Subramaniam assumed office as the fourth CEO of Niti Aayog on March 2023 and continues in that role as of 2025. His tenure was extended by the 1 year beyond February 2025, confirming he remains incumbent CEO in 2025. What is the full form of Niti Ayoga? National Institution for Transforming India. आर्टिकल 356 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रिलेटेड टू व्हाट? भारतीय संविधान का अनुच्छेद 356 किसी से संबंधित है? द आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज इम्पोजिशन ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट रूल इन स्टेट. राज्य में राष्ट्रपति शासन लागू करना, ये सही उत्तर होगा. Article 356 empowers the President of India to impose president rule in the state of which the constitutional machinery of the state fails. It's also called as a state emergency or constitutional emergency in a state. Based on the report of the governor, the president can take this action. The intensity of light is measured in which unit? प्रकाश की तीव्रता किस इकाई से मापी जाती है? The answer for this question is intensity of light is measured in candela. कैंडल से मापी जाती है. Candela is the SI unit of the luminous intensity, which measures the brightness of light in a particular direction. Lumen is the unit of luminous flux. Lux measures illuminance. Watt measures power, not intensity of light. These are the key answer analysis of the SSC Stenographer 2025 examination, 6th August first analysis. Thank you for watching.